First, I will point out that I'm doing the process. I'm passing the information on my Samsung, but you can do the exact process if you are on any phone. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now, if you are searching for this option on Spotify, I will tell you that there is no option. There is no official way to see. Okay, only on Spotify Rapid, but Spotify Rapid only appear on the end of the year. So if you want to see your how many hours you were listening to Spotify, you need to download other app. So come on your shop app, click right here to search, then search. I will search this app right here. I recommend you, okay? But you will see several apps that have the same function. You just need to put Save Time app or something like that, okay? So Save Time app, and you will see our Check Time app, and you will see our apps. You can download any app if that you want. I will use this one just for example. So I will open this app. Then you need to give the app the permissions, okay, to see how many hours you have on Spotify. Then you just need to wait until the app load how many hours you spend on Spotify. You can see that I have 26 minutes today on Spotify. So if you click right here, you will see how many hours you spend on Spotify, okay? In my case, I use Spotify on PC, so I use very little on mobile, okay? But you can see how many hours you listen on Spotify.